Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the perfect salon blowout at home. We're going to be using this bad boy. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what comes in this box. This is the Shark Flexstyle air styling and drying system. I'm trying to give you guys a closer look at it. This product comes with 5 different attachments. So this is a paddle brush and it helps straighten and smooth your hair. This is the oval brush and it smooths and defrizzes. It adds volume and bounce to your hair. These are the auto wrap curlers. They just help create curls and they honestly do an amazing job at creating the perfect curls. This is the styling concentrator. It helps dry your hair and style. So you're probably wondering how you're able to use this attachment. So I'm going to show you guys really quick how this works. So there's 2 different modes. It changes from styler to dryer. This is the styling wand. If you click right here, you kind of push that down, you can change it to a dryer mode. And that's when you would attach this attachment. I'm gonna start off by drying my hair a bit. All right, so let's get started. You want your hair to be about 80% dry when you start styling. My hair is about 80% dry now, and I'm going to go in with the next attachment, which is the paddle brush attachment. To help build volume at the root, it's best to section your hair. Okay, so I'm done with the bottom part of my hair and now I'm going to move on to the top. To remove the attachment, you just click down on this lock and you just remove it. For the rest of my hair, I'm going to use the auto wrap curlers. I use a smaller section of hair for this. I'm going to go back to this section and I'm going to just make sure I curl the ends. I'm going to continue taking small sections and styling with the auto wrap. I'm going to go ahead and now section off the front of my hair because these are going to be the framing pieces. So for the middle piece, I'm going to be using the oval brush attachment. So these are my results. As you can see, I have so much volume. My hair looks amazing. I literally can't stop touching it. I barely have any frizz. So my final review, it's a blow dryer, it's a straightener, it's a curler, and honestly, it's amazing. Like I absolutely love my hair. I'm honestly really happy with this product and how my hair turned out. If you guys are interested in purchasing or learning more about this product, I'm going to be adding a link down below, which you guys can go ahead and check out after you watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below what you guys think about the new Shark Beauty Flexstyle.